am Dr. K. Nagratna, Head Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to review the weekly weather and I am going to give the weather forecast during next 2 weeks. This is the synoptic features that have occurred during past week from 17th and 18th. Mainly easterlies and southeasterlies prevailed over the state, and there is a certain change in the direction of the winds due to the formation of the anticyclonic circulation over the central parts of India. So easterlies and northeasterlies started occurring over the state. So on 21st and 22nd, mainly northeasterlies and northerlies prevailed over the state. And 23rd also northeasterlies and easterlies have occurred, and anticyclonic circulation is built up over the central part of India. The spatial distribution of rainfall shows that almost there is a dry weather condition over the state. And this is the minimum temperature distribution for the week ending 23rd December. Shows that during first 3 days, under the influence of the winds blowing from the southeasterlies or easterlies, above normal conditions had been there. But after 20th, 21st and 22nd and 23rd, the temperatures had dropped by 3 to 4 degrees at many parts of the Telangana state, and some parts of northern Telangana and western Telangana had experienced cold wave conditions, and Adilabad on 21st, 23rd, Medak and Hyderabad on 22nd and 23rd had experienced cold wave conditions. And temperatures, lowest minimum temperature recorded was 5.7 degrees Celsius over the Adilabad, and around 7 degrees Celsius over the Medak and other parts adjoining areas of this Medak district. This is the distribution of the rainfall over the Telangana state. Shows the nil rainfall, and the same pattern of the rainfall is still persisting over the Telangana with excess to large excess rainfall and normal rainfall in the some parts of the Telangana, northern Telangana, and 3 districts are still continuing to be under the deficit condition. And this is the week forecast, next week forecast from 24th to 28th December. Mainly dry weather conditions are very likely to occur in Telangana state during next 5 days. After that also much change is not seen, but during next 48 hours mist or shallow conditions, shallow fog conditions are very likely to occur in the early morning hours over Telangana state. And in keeping view of the weather conditions, cold wave conditions have been given over Adilabad, Komrambim, Nirmal, Nizamabad, Kamareddy, Medak, Sangareddy, Vikarabad, Medchal, Malkajgiri, Rangareddy and Hyderabad districts of Telangana. Afterwards also there is a slight fall in temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius in few places. And this is the extended range forecast for next 4 weeks. And this shows that during first week, second week, third week, fourth week, almost dry conditions are likely to prevail during next month. And this is the Tmax anomaly, that is the maximum temperature anomaly. This shows that during the first week there is a slight drop in temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, followed by second week and third week and fourth week. And there is not much change in the temperature pattern. And this is the minimum temperature anomaly from this model. Shows during the first week there is a drop in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. And over second week we can see there is near to normal temperature, warming occur during the first week, and again in the third week there is a drop in temperature by 2 degrees Celsius. And this is what the weather is going to be during next 2 weeks. These are the weather updates. Please log into our website imdhyderabad.gov.in and follow us on our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram. Facebook is MCHYD or radarhyd@gmail.com. Twitter is @MetCenterHYD. YouTube is sinopHYD@gmail.com. So please follow us on this social media and on website. If any information is required, you can mail us to sinopHYD@gmail.com.